Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick video. I just received my order from Alina, and this is this cute little box. It's like a princess theme. It's so cute, perfect for little favors. This is what it looks like. And it's 2.5 by 3 inches. And it is just adorable. And you can make it however you want. This one, I added a little trim. I added the word love, the little crown. And I think it's just super, super cute. Okay, and I'm going to show you what comes with it. So we're going to make one together. This is the piece. So you need to cut 2 of the base piece. Okay. This is the crown. Let me just show you what it looks like. Cuts really, really good. Hold on. Let me put it on this. So there's your crown. Oops. There's the crown. And you can use this for other things. It doesn't have to be in the little box. But you get your crown. You get the word Sweet Day. Look how cute. Okay, so you get the word Sweet Day. And then you get the word love. Super, super cute. And it's so easy to put together. All you really have to do is cut your 2 pieces. And it's already scored for you. So you score all the little folds. Okay. And we're going to add glue to the bottom piece. So let's do that real quick. You can add glue or double-sided tape. Oh my gosh. It's like my room is so cold that all the glue is frozen. Okay, so you add your glue and you add that piece there. Okay. If you want to turn it around to see where the score marks are, might be easier. And that is it, guys. This is like the easiest box to create. And I love fast, easy boxes. So once that is glued, okay, you decide if you have double-sided paper, you can decide which side you want. Before you put the box together, you take your little crown, you add your glue. You could use your Xyron if you want. I just dab in like the big corners, some glue. So dab, dab, oops, dab. Then you take it, you add it. You know, I'm going to do it on this side. Actually, no, I'll do it on this side. Add your crown. And right now, obviously, I'm trying to do this quick. Okay. That looks like that. Then, you put these 2 pieces together. So they go together. And what I like to do is I like to do like the little bounce. So I kind of bounce them down, bounce it down to give it that form already. Then add this piece to that little slot. Add that piece to that little slot. And you got your little box. And again, I like to bounce it just to give it that little form. And look how cute. So, so simple. Then you could decorate it however you want. If you want to add the Sweet Day. Look how pretty. Like, oh my God, I love this little box. You could add Sweet Day. You could add the word love. You could add your trim. You could do however you want. These are perfect for party favors. Just little chocolates to give to your friends. So anyway, guys, this video is not only a little project share, it's also going to be a giveaway. So if you like this box and you want to win the die itself, you win a brand new die, all you have to do is obviously be a subscriber, like this video, comment on the video that you want to enter the giveaway, but you also must follow Alinacutle. So I'm going to put the description bar I'm going to put all her information in the description bar. I'm also going to put the link to this die. So if you want to purchase it, I'm telling you, it is super, super cute. You definitely want it in your stash, but someone is going to win it. So again, all you got to do is comment, like the video, and be a subscriber. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enter, and I will talk to you later. Bye.